How to find selling price? To find the selling price, find the cost price and then the profit. In this question, here a lawnmower bought at 1150 rupees with 50 rupees transportation charges. So the cost price will be the addition of 1150 plus 50, which is 1200 rupees. And the profit. Profit is calculated as 5% of cost price, which is 5% of 1200 rupees, the cost price, which is 60 rupees. So now let's find the selling price, which is the summation of the cost price 1200 and the profit 60. So here the selling price is 1260 rupees. Next question. A fan was bought for 560 rupees and expenses of 40 was made on its repairs. So the cost price will be 560 plus 40, the repair. So it's 600 rupees is the cost price and the profit is 5% of the cost price, which is 600. So 5% of 600 will be 30. Now let's add the cost price and the profit to find the selling price. So selling price is 600 plus 30, 630 rupees. So to find the selling price, add the cost price and the profit.